Alright, this week, I guess Pierre was bored and Chris had his 330 laying around, which is all-wheel drive. So we're turning it into a safari car.
Pierre decided that they're going to build this monster truck E46 off-road rally monster.
Word around is that we're building a rally Subaru out there right now, right? Right? No?
No, kid. It's
No.
a BMW.
Oh!
Well, apparently Pierre wanted to build a rally car, and Chris said, hey, I have an extra car, so now we have that going. And that's going to be it all week.
It's Thursday.
So we're taking my E46 and we're going to turn it into a safari car. And I'm so excited because Adam and I have talked about this for a long time. He sent me pictures of, photoshopped ones, and I've wanted to do it. And so Pierre was driving it the other day. He was like, dude, let's turn it into a safari car. Let's do it.
Let me borrow your vape. I got to roll up on this guy.
The reverse man bun.
I'm not gonna bump your crap.
No!
Oh, we're doing this again?
Hi, my name is Dirty P, and welcome to Hard Motorsport. So, I got my friend Chris's car. Big Red Chris, he works here too. Would you shut up? Yeah. We decided to make his E46 looking cool. So I had that idea to build like an E46 rally car, aka off-road vehicle.
Safari.
A Pacific Northwest safari car. I got some new wheels for it. We will mount some knobby tires on those. We will put on a roof rack. We will put on our Hard Motorsport Fender flares because we will run like wide tires. What else we do? Maybe we will do a snorkel so we can drive to rivers or lakes or I don't know what. Yeah, stay tuned and see what will happen. So this is how it normally works. You lose them and then you use the impact to unbolt them. Adam wants to do everything with the impact, not working at all. Works perfect, dude, perfect! Ah!
This is where I go to relax.
If you would have like good hammers like we have in Germany.
You want me to teach you one?
Huh?
You want one?
What?
A good hammer?
I have a good hammer. In my pants. No, look at that. It's almost like new. Maybe I will remove the inner. Let's do that. To make it look good. It's so hot. I'm melting. Okay, that's no way! Not working. Open that, but I can fit it into the other ones.
Yeah, he's. It's Chris, dude.
I removed the spacers because we have no wheel studs or longer bolts. We have only the stock ones, and yeah, it's not working because we can't tight them. So I removed them, and because Chris is taking tender loving care of that car and don't remove the rust before he puts on any wheel or spacer, they're stuck on the car now. So I have to hammer them off. Ta-da! See that? It's all rusty yet. So what I do usually is I take a little brush like that and then just like clean it, put all the rust away. And then use like a silicone spray or WD-40 something and just put a light drop on it. And then normally they should slip on like nothing. See? All you have to do is keep your clean. Going home.
Calendars for free. Can you believe it? It's only July. We get to use these for, oh wait, it's August. Garbage! Hey!
Can we put on a windshield banner?
Can we put on a windshield banner?
I have not seen you work on that for 1 minute.
Well, I was working because I was zooming in and zooming out, and you saw that.
Oh, are you done? Okay, that was about 2 minutes.
I'm almost ready to cut. Are you satisfied?
I'll be satisfied when you just cut.
So,
That's not the cut button.
that's not?
Nope.
What if I put that?
It's just gonna put you down.
Got a nice scratch on the hood.
Double-sided sticky tape is like the most secure way to mount things on your car.
Perfect. Bam. Right? Rally car.
It's supposed to go on after the car's awesome, like a signature. But we put it on before because confidence. All right.
After a little bit of Craigslist searching,
Look healthy.
found some sweet 255 5518s. I think they'll fit just right on this beast. Then when we pulled up to talk to the guy, Noticed that he had some other stuff just sitting around, so asked him about that, and he told us to just take a brush guard, which, I mean, we were on top of, so we got that, and so Pierre's gonna have to fit that to the front of this thing. And then definitely gonna have to do some trimming on the fenders.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit to get
Tiny
those to
bit.
fit. Tight clearances.
Got the paper test. Oh no. I'm not gonna pass the paper test.
Man.
That's really cool.
That's how we make money. We all stand around and look at it. Alright, so we need to get more clearance up in here. So we're gonna go ahead and cut this slot right here, and then we'll be able to hammer it in and weld it to allow for the clearance.
So yeah, we ended up to mount the tires. I will make them fit now. I already mounted the bash bar this morning because I was so excited to build that car. It looks pretty good, kind of like factory. And now, yeah, I will cut out the bumper, the fenders to make it fit. And then we will put on some hard motorsport fender flares to like make it perfect. All right.
I'll go see. I can walk.
Got that side almost ready to put on the fender flares. I'll weld it all back together for the big tires. I made space, and then yeah, then I do the other side, and then we are almost ready to drop it and see how it rolls. Ready? I think we need water. I think that thing is toast.
Okay, so it's drivable now?
Yeah?
Oh, the front.
You just have to cut out a little bit more.
Cut that bash bar, right? No wires yet.
Check for wires on the other side. You! Beep you!
I think the alarm, the key is broken.
The key's broken.
Yeah, the key's broken.
What happened?
Nothing.